Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I've been wanting to try one of these wing pours, and I've got just a little 8x10 here, and I don't know if you can see this. This is some runoff paint that I've picked up. There's a lot of blue in there, there's some light magenta, and I put a little bit of gold on the top. And from what I'm seeing other people do, if you put your colors around the outside in a cup, and then you take another cup and put it in there with white in it, it comes out really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these leftover colors in the bottom of my cup here. Very pretty. Okay, and then put some white in this one. I'm going to try to slide it in there carefully. There we go. I'm going to prop up my canvas here a little bit. So that it runs down kind of naturally. So here we go. Let's see what happens. I don't think I have enough of the color in there. See if any color comes out. Ooh, don't want to fumble. There we go. There's some of my color. It's only coming out one side. It's okay, it's given a pretty cool effect here. Stop right there. Let it set for a second. That's really cool. Since I have so much more paint on here, I think I'm going to try and put another line here and possibly here and see what I get. Some white here. I just love the way that that feathers out. It is so cool looking. Okay, let's see here. Too fast, too fast. Slow down. There we go. Stop and do some over here. I did put a clear file protector underneath because I knew I'd have a lot of runoff here. Okay, I want to stop. I like the way that looks. Cover my canvas here. Very cool. Bring it down this way a little bit. Kind of lost some of my little ripple effect of the wings. But it is cool looking. Looks like all the gold disappeared. Cover my sides here a little bit. I've also thought about trying this, doing like a kiss pour, where you have 2 cups of paint together and put my white in front of my color to see how that works. Because this one didn't hold its shape very well. But it looks like it could bring out some cells up here underneath the white. I don't have any silicone in there, so it's just bringing up little pinholes. Not sure that I like it. I like the colors, but not sure that I like the composition very much. Move it around, see if it becomes something different. So yeah, that looks pretty neat like that. And some cells that stretched out up here. I know my runoff looks pretty cool. Might try just dipping in that. I'll take another canvas and dip it, because that looks pretty neat. Alright guys, thanks for visiting with me. This was fun. Nice new experiment. I'll see if I can get the camera down and give you a close-up of it. Because there are some really interesting things happening here. Maybe after it sits a minute. Okay everybody, here is my wing pour attempt. After a few minutes, it looks like a little bit of the gold popped out in a couple places here. Overall, I think it's very pretty. The colors came out nicely. I hope you like it. Bye.